What's up, everybody? Steve here. It is a beautiful Friday morning. I am headed to Fort Myers Beach, and we're gonna go check out an investment property for an out-of-state client. I'm gonna go do a walkthrough for him, a video walkthrough, and hopefully make an offer for him if the numbers make sense. Figured I would take you guys along for this ride, but headed north from Bonita Beach to Fort Myers Beach. Look at these views. I mean, who wouldn't want to own a vacation rental property out here in Southwest Florida? I don't know. Anyway, figured I would take you guys along with me today. We'll take a look at the, it's a duplex on the water. I actually used to own another property in that same area, so I'm very familiar with it. And hopefully we can get some of the financials from the listing agent. We're only able to get into one side of the unit today, unfortunately, because we are in height of season here in Southwest Florida. And it's difficult when you got so many check-ins, check-outs. So I'm able to get in today because these people, the guests just checked out. So I'm going to be able to get in just half the duplex so we can check it out, and then I'll bring you guys through that, and hopefully we can run through some of the numbers as well, so we can provide those to our investor to see if it makes sense for him or not. So let's get you in there. All right, we're here. Let's get you in.
Thank you for calling Distinctive Beach Rentals. This call is recorded for quality assurance. Please stay on the line while your call is transferred to the operator.
Distinctive Beach Rentals, Dolphin speaking. How may I help you today?
Yeah, this is Steve with Maxim Realtors. I'm set to show.
All right, I'm unlocking it now, so.
There it goes. Cool. Thanks a lot.
Got it? No problem. Thank you.
All right, bye. Got some nice views. Appears to be a recent renovation. I can still smell the newness of the construction. Newer furniture as well. Now this is technically, I guess, a 2-bedroom with a den. This would be the master. The master's got a front balcony here. Interesting. Nice vanity. The second bathroom. If I can find a damn light switch. There. Oh, pretty nice. So basically this is set up like a villa. On the other side, there's basically another duplex, top bottom, owned by somebody else, but it is attached to this. And then this is a duplex, top bottom. I thought originally that this whole thing was for sale, that this was the duplex and that was the other side of the duplex, but I was definitely mistaken on this. So I don't know about sharing this property with the other side. It looks like it's not a huge property either. If you take a look down here, I mean, it says room for pool, but I just don't know. I mean, it's pretty small. And then on the other side of that stairwell is the other property that's attached, and I'll show you from the outside. Got some decent views. One thing is you got this mangrove island that's kind of obstructing your wider views. I mean, if that mangrove island wasn't there, I bet you the value of this would be even higher. Not necessarily the best dock. There's no lift or anything on this dock either. It's probably a little shallow there as well. So, how you doing?
You the one having trouble with the lock?
I got in. He got me in.
I guess, yeah. Sticking her in.
It might be. I had to pull the door a little bit.
Yeah, sometimes it jams on the hole.
Yeah, exactly.
It's not all the way closed or something, so.
So maybe if that got greased up a little bit or adjusted a little bit.
How does it lock?
You guys are quick over at Distinctive, huh?
Seems to be pretty. If you have any more troubles, just give us a holler.
Yeah, no problem, man. Thanks a lot.
No problem.
Appreciate you. Damn. Vacation rental company is on it. So basically I had a little bit of an issue that you saw with the door there. Normally these things are on, you know, some kind of super e-box, lockbox, or whatever the case is, but this vacation rental company, they have it all on keyless entry, and they can basically open the door remotely, and it was just a little jammed up, but this company seems to be on it, which is cool. Now, as you can see, these are basically two duplexes attached by this adjoining wall up top, and that's a duplex top bottom, and then top bottom, this is the property we're talking about. There's a 2-2 upstairs, a 2-1 downstairs, and one car garage probably for the downstairs unit, and then you can get in the downstairs unit through that hallway into the door. That's the patio for the master for the 2-2 upstairs. This is the access for unit B. Unit A is down here. Unit B. And then this is the other duplex over here downstairs. And you got the backyard. Little dock. Yeah, it's super shallow right here. So, I don't know, we'll have to run numbers on this thing, see if it even makes sense for this investor or not. The property I had was literally on the next street over here, and comparable, not attached like this thing is, but it had a 2-bedroom, 1 bathroom on the one side and a 1-1 on the other side, and that thing was bringing in roughly about 55-60 grand gross a year with us using it. So I'm sure this thing is probably comparable, but we'll have to run the numbers and see what kind of figures the real estate agent has for us. I just got off the phone with our investor, talked to him about the property, and honestly I told him, you know, the pros and cons. Pros are it's a fantastic location, I know it very well, but the price that they're asking and what's provided in terms of the property and being adjoining to another residence, another duplex, and the lack of water access, I told him, you know, he asked me if I would put my money into that place, and I just said no. And so we're gonna we're gonna keep on search for something else. You know, I think that the price, I think it's overpriced, but who knows in this market if somebody's willing to pay for that that kind of money for that kind of property. But just appreciate you watching. Thanks a lot.